So, the first lecture we will have for you is to get an overview of the two main websites we are offering. And now let's start. First of all, we will have a look at our main courses F1TENTH website. Just use the link we provided here or enter courses.f1tenth.org and you will be led to our main website. You can imagine that F1TENTH courses is for us the front end. This is where you and your students see the displayed content we provided in the back end. So every time you want to show your course to someone, you want to show your students where they have to go, please log in to this website. In addition, you see here the other universities that are currently offering one course here. So what we do first is see you here in the upper right, you see the sign in button. You click on it and you sign in with the email and the password provided by us. When you sign in, you have the ability to see all the courses where you are enrolled. From my side, I'm enrolled in every course, of course, but now you can click on the course you want to go to. Just click on the course and then you will see the main courses website. You see here in the line above the overall possibilities to discover new courses and the sysadmin. This is for the overall courses management system. You have here the possibility to switch from staff to learner, and everything you see here is related to the course itself. You can have a look at the progress, at the discussions, at the wiki, and special stuff you can see as an instructor. The main things what we want to show today is the course material itself. You will see here the special introduction for you as a lecturer, where you are right now. We will then start with the overview and then going inside the modules. Everything you see here is called a unit. We can add more units and we can delete some units. But let's go inside one of the units just to give you an overview how it looks like. Each unit has the same setup. We provide a specific lecture info for you, which only you as a lecturer can see. Then we start with the lecture itself. We have an overview of the lecture. We provide you the topics covered in this lecture. Then we will move on with the lecture video and then the lecture slides. And the lecture videos are integrated as YouTube links. The lecture slides are Google Slides and are hosted on our site. The next thing, if it's available, is an associated tutorial where we provide an overview, the topics and the links, as well as a lecture video and the lecture slides. We then have an associated assigned lab if it's available, with an overview, the learning outcomes, skills, a lot of time, and a link to a GitHub repository, as well as an integrated PDF as a handout. And then we have for you your lecture info, your lab solution where you can download as a lecturer the solution, and in addition can grade your students here. Then we have the additional resources provided where we have links to additional resources. And last but not least, we have the discussion area here where you and the students can have a discussion. That's the main overview of F1TENTH courses, and that's the short introduction of what you and your students can see here. I encourage you to just have a look at your F1TENTH courses site and see how everything is then set up here. But let's now move on to the second side. The second side is our back end, is where we store all the information. Please change the website to studio.f1det.org and then you will have an overview of all your courses. In your case, probably just one course is available. You can then edit this course. Just click on edit and you will be directed to this site here. And this is the studio, or the so-called openEDX studio. You will have an overview of the content. This is the content we provide for you. You will have the possibilities to change settings or to use special tools like import and export. The main thing on this website is the information we create in the backend, so what you can see in the front end. I just showed you what you can see on the front end. It's called Module A, and we will have a look now on the back end how Module A is set up. We see here that Module A consists of different lectures, and the different lectures consists of individual material. And all the things I just showed you at the front end are set up here in the different units. For example, the lecture info, the lecture, the associated tutorial, and the associated assigned lab. What we can do, we can change the names here very quick, or we can go inside and then change the material itself. And as I said before, you can imagine that Studio is our backend and Courses is our front end. All the material we have integrated here is integrated as HTML, which gives you the possibility to copy and paste the content without having any changes to the format. And what you can do here is create new units and create more material. And that's it, our first lecture to give you a short overview of F1TENTH's courses and F1TENTH Studio.